Do you have tension in your low back? If you do, let's double tap the screen right here. And if you don't, let's tag a friend who has a lower back tension. So a lot of the times, my low back will be feeling tight, maybe from sitting down too long. It just needs a little bit of love. So I'm gonna show you a quick routine you can do at any time for your low back. Let's get it started with one of my favorites, the cat-cow. So we're gonna get on all fours, knees under hips, hands under shoulders. And what we're going to do here is we're going to round the back, tuck the chin, and then chest down, head up, and arching our low back. In this position, we're not only working the full spine, we're also working our hips too, and we're getting that low back and that hip to move. So let's look at it again. So we're rounding out, and look at my hip. It's tucking under. And now we're going to reverse it, and arching back, and now that's moving the hip in the other way and really getting that low back to move. It feels really good. So we're gonna do 10 reps right now. I'm gonna speed it up and it's gonna look kind of weird, but we gotta do it. So here we go. Ten reps, cat-cow, not only working on that low back and getting that to move, working the whole spine. Now, we're gonna do something that looks even weirder and more awkward. We're gonna do the cat-cow. It's kind of, but we're gonna isolate our lower body. So what we're going to do is, we're going to place our forearms on the ground, so face down, never mind. And we're going to basically do this tilt of the pelvis. So we're gonna tuck it under and then we're gonna tuck it back. Again, get your minds out of the gutters here. So from here, we're going to tuck, and then arch back. Tuck, arch back. What that's doing is we're isolating that lower body, and the upper body can't move as much. We're gonna do 10 reps here. So let's do it. Bonus points if you do it in the middle of the gym. If maybe not, I don't know. Here we go. All right, so we just did 10 of those, and man, my low back already feels way better. But now let's hit something for the QL, that side part of the low back. And now I'm going to tuck one foot in. This is a modified hurdler with a side bend. We're gonna tuck one foot in. We are going to rotate our upper body so it's somewhat in line with this leg that is straight, just like this. One arm outside of the leg, arm comes up, and then we are going to reach over, getting a great stretch on the whole side of the body, all the way down into the low back. We also get a good hamstring stretch here. And it's kind of nice, when we're in this position, we're almost tucked under automatically, so we actually get that stretch, and it's a little bit more effective. So let's go here, get upper body turned, arm to the outside, arm up, and reach. Breathe. We're gonna hold this for, let's do 1 minute. I'm gonna speed it up. All right, 1 minute on that one. Let's switch sides. Make sure you do the other side at home. And now, I also like to work on some things that are great for the lower body, not just the low back. If you can loosen up those hips, it can make that low back feel a lot better. So let's hit up that 90-90 position, just like this, and we're gonna go back and forth. We're going to rock back, getting those hips, feeling amazing. If that's too difficult for you, put your hands behind your back. 10 reps on each side, and then walk around a little bit, see how it feels. It should feel a lot better. Hopefully you liked this routine, and remember, make sure you double tap the screen if you like this video. Make sure you comment down below and then tag a friend who has low back tension.